All right, folks, welcome to Big Pumpkin's cooking show.
I'm cooking you.
What you cooking, baby?
Today I'm going.
Not too loud. Hey, don't get sardines on that. I guess if you get that sardine juice on that wind muff, it'll never.
Today I'm going to cook my favorite mega sardines. I'm going to put.
She did give me the last fried chicken leg and leftover pasta, so I had a pretty good meal and some burnt Panasol. She burnt it.
That's not burnt.
It was
that's
burnt.
That's not for you. That's for Forrest G.
All right.
So
Now,
I
folks,
put
I'm not
half.
sure how long I'm going to be able to stand it out here, smelling this mess. I'm not sure how long I'll be able to make it.
Kauwi mo ka no.
I mean, the smell of this sardine concoction is
That's still annoy.
it's strong. I'm not going to say it's pungent. I'm not going to say it's like bagaon. It's not that bad. But I'm telling you right now, the things I do to bring you good quality entertainment in Southeast Asia, I hope y'all appreciate it. I'm putting my health in jeopardy right now, standing in this dirty kitchen.
Kauwi mo ka na eh.
Babe, what I'm gonna need for you to do is make sure the other door is open so I get a nice cross draft going on here, please.
Bahala ka dire.
Can you tell everybody what you put in this here concoction and what's going in this concoction?
I put onion, garlic, nor, and oil, and egg.
Okay, and that's, what do you call this sardine concoction?
I don't know.
I'm gonna have to order me a air purifying respirator if I'm gonna be doing this type of work. I have to fill out a CA1 after this, baby.
Lord, that's not bad. That smells good, eh?
Maybe I don't know if many of my viewers would agree. Well, maybe their wives and girlfriends. So there you go, folks. There's a good look at what's fumigating my dirty kitchen this early in the morning. And baby, don't lose track of time. We got to go pick up our son.
That's still early.
I know you get to cooking. When you get excited over these sardines.
Still early.
Two eggs?
Woo!
You wasted 2 eggs on these sardines?
Expensive yan eh.
What's wrong with this kid? We gotta toughen this kid up. Wasted 10 aprons on this guy. Okay, folks, if you ever wanted to know how to make delicious sardines, just throw 2 eggs in there. What do you call this, baby? Do you call this stir-fried deliciousness? What do you call it? Give us a name.
I don't have named this.
You just put it all in there and put the heat to it, right?
Yeah.
Baby, the chickens over there in the box are complaining about the smell. I've never heard them this noisy.
No, they hungry.
Well, I guess chickens do like sardines, right?
No, eh?
Yeah, let's feed them some sardines, baby.
No, I'm going to feed an oatmeal. They're expensive.
Baby, is that my breakfast oatmeal?
Yeah.
Baby, we're wasting 2 perfectly good eggs on sardines. Now you're using, I won't say wasting it, but you're feeding Maria's baby chickens my oatmeal.
They're expensive.
Well, yeah, I guess I don't wonder now why I haven't been offered oatmeal for breakfast the past 2 weeks. I said, baby, what do we got? You never say, oh, would you like some oatmeal?
That's for the chicken now. That's not for you.
Baby, I'm an old man. I need my oatmeal. Is that the finished product?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
All right, come over here and hold it up proudly, and I'll make that the thumbnail. Hold it up higher. Higher, higher.
Okay, my hands is...
All right, a little bit higher. I need a thumbnail, baby. Right there. Now look at the camera. Smile. Oh, big pumpkin! Oh,
Wala eh.
No.
Bangon ka man!
Whoa.
Oh,
Almost
wait.
a tragedy. I don't think the floor would ever have smelled the same if that had went down. I mean, it's a good thing you're using that non-stick surface and not Malaj cast iron product.
You don't have blood.
I don't think a
I'm going to eat. Ganang ang mukhaon.
Look, folks, I told her.
Duklo na yaro.
You know, I'm not a slave driver here. I'm not running the prison. She can eat anything she wants. But if she wants to eat this or cook this, she has to stay within the confines of the dirty kitchen. She can't go inside. Right? Sardines are just off limits indoors. So baby, I apologize. No, actually I don't apologize. Running a kingdom is a hard thing. You have to make difficult decisions. But you can't eat that inside, baby. You know that, right?
The other
You
day
got
we
to
eat it
consume
inside
that.
nga eh.
No, you have to consume that out here in the dirty kitchen, please.
Eh.
You stay out here with the chickens. They'll keep you company.
Layas na dira.
What are you putting it on? A bed of rice?
Rice.
All right, let's see it. Hold on. Let's see the final product here. Hold on. Let me get a good focus. Let me make sure. Baby, I'm just trying to show the viewers.
It is just only
Okay, back up so I can get your reaction. There you go, right there. Come on, turn around. Turn around. Let's get your reaction.
Layas ka no. I want my moment in here.
You what?
I want a moment. Moment. Yeah, moment for eating my rice.
You want a special moment with your sardines and rice? Baby,
Yeah.
I'm trying to hold a camera still. You're making it difficult. Okay, so how's your special moment with the sardines and
Layas.
is it good?
Oh.
What's that mean?
Yes.
Sound like a chicken.
Maria like this too.
Yeah, because you and Marissa and Faye and her mother have trained her to eat sardines. Not exactly the chicken of the sea.
Layas ka no. No.
What's Elias?
Alice.
Elise? I know what Elise is.
Alice, Marcos, Alice.
Okay. All right, folks, so there you go. How to make a delicious... Oh, shit. Got Jack and the Beanstalk coming in here. Oh, Lord. All right, baby, anything else you want to add?
Voila, I'm going to eat.
Just tell us exactly the flavors and how delicious it is.
You want taste?
No, absolutely not.
Layas. They have a lot of this in the village.
I wonder why. All right, peace out, my friends. There you go. Big Pumpkin's breakfast tutorial.
You put a cook.
Baby, you just ruined the whole Coke. That was cruel. You could have poured me some Coke before you... Now you backwashed it with sardine juice. Now I can't take... No, you're gonna drink that whole Coke. And we never drink whole Cokes. We always share them. That was not
Because
nice.
I almost ano na eh. Choke.
Yeah, you almost choked on that. You said it, not me. But now you got to drink that entire Coke right there. And I'm not sharing that.
Maria, Forest.
No. Don't spring that on the children. Damn, you wasted 2 eggs and a big can of Coke.
Layas na kano eh.
Not exactly conservation of prepping, baby. All right, I'm out of here. I can't stand it no more. I can't stand it no more.
Layas!